Good morning, my miners. How are y'all doing, guys? I hope you're all doing well and fantastic wherever you guys are. We are here today on the show to kind of go over a few updates like we normally do. We'll check out the prices right now, as well as we're going to go over the fact that the KS3 from Bitmain is now being shipped. So, take that for what it's worth. I hope no one here invested in a KS3 because returns are going to be diminishing extremely fast, or well, they already have, as we've seen. The hash rate for Caspa and difficulty have been on a huge climb here recently, as well as we're going to go over, are you currently mining? Like, are you switching for profitability, or are you just kind of sticking towards projects that you favor? I would love to know that down in the comment section below, but we'll touch on that in 1 second. But first, let's dig in. So guys, as you can see here, the S9 is back up and hashing. We have new SD card in it with new brains firmware. I'm having issues with pools, like these pools right here showing up dead. Occasionally they will come back and it'll switch back to them since they have higher priority, but a lot of them die, and I'm not really sure why. They're all unmineable pools. The only one that never dies is CK pools, solo pool. So I'm not really sure why that is. I was having that issue before, but it's happening more often so now. So if I want to get my other pools back, I have to either restart the Brains OS miner, or just kind of wait it out, and eventually these will come back alive and it'll switch the pool. So I don't know, kind of weird. If you guys have seen this, I would be curious to know if you've seen it, so put your thoughts and opinions down below. That'd be muchly appreciated. Also, checking out the Bitcoin price is $25,990. Litecoin is $65.75. Ethereum is $1,654. Flux is at 30 cents. Solana is at $20.79. And that is the current standings for today, August 22nd. So, guys, the KS3 has officially started shipping as of August 21st. So, as of yesterday. So, please, they said, please be sure to check your emails if you have one. I hope no one bought one. Personally, I warned people to stay away from it. So I hope people no one bought one. New batches of the KS3 will be for sale here soon. Allegedly, they will have it'll be lower in hash rate on the next version, so it should be cheaper. But yeah, it's here. Despite the fact that the hash rate has been surging, as we can see here, and they were selling these for $49,000, but after a coupon you're getting $34,860 for one of those. As it shows right here, hash rate has been on a huge tear ever since the beginning of August. As you can see, difficulty has done the same, and this is because of the KS3 from both, not just Bitmain, but from also Ice River, getting tested and before they were shipped out. Hash rates have not declined so much, so even though that they are shipping these out now, hash rate has not really fallen off currently. Now, like I said, I hope no one bought one of these, because 9.4 terahashes for 3,500 watts. So at the current standings, if you were mining at my electric rate, which is around 7 to 8 cents, you would be netting $462 per day, or about 10,000, almost 11,000 Caspa per day. You will hit about 59 blocks every day, according to the calculator, with that amount of hash rate, which is quite crazy. If you see here at the current price, if you paid full price and didn't have a coupon code, it will take you 103 days to ROI at today's right now hash rate and difficulty. All right. Once all these miners are received in hands, like it says here, will be delivered at the end of August, and earnings will become much lower. So be aware of that. If you're currently mining Caspa, soon as these start reaching people's hands, we will watch the difficulty and hash rate rise even more so. So keep that in mind, guys. But you could potentially ROI in about 100 days. Now we will revisit the situation once KS3s have officially hit the doorsteps of people, and we will see exactly, compare it to what this is. So we have 103 days now, but what will it be once all of the Caspa ASICs show up? I'm assuming probably less than half. Like we'll see this like not be half as more time, right? So maybe 150 to 200 days. Also, guys, I would be curious to know, so if you had kind of like my rig that I have right here, just basic 43060s, 4A2000s, and just kind of calculate it out and see like what is most profitable according to what to mine, as well as on hashrate.no. Alright, hashrate.no is going to give you some of the other altcoins that you may not actually see according to what to mine. But it does give you relatively accurate data for the coins that are not just altcoins. Alright. Now, I'd be curious, guys, are you mining for profitability right now in today's time? Are you going for the most profitable coin, mining it? Are you exchanging it for Bitcoin every day? Are you using unminable like I am? But that comes at a cost to using unminable, because a lot of the extremely profitable coins via the calculators, unminable does not support yet. They do actively like add support for coins, but not all of the coins can be done all the time. So I would be kind of curious to know is like, are y'all mining most profitable? Are you going for more favoritism? Are you mining the most profitable that you can, right? I typically stay away from all of the POW coins because they are kind of power hungry, and that's just me personally. I'm still mining a mixture of Conflux and Alphium right now because of profitability and they earn the most Bitcoin on unminable. So I'm using unminable still currently with all of my GPU rigs that I do have. Even the S9 is using unminable and mining for Bitcoin. So I'd be curious to know what y'all are doing down in the description below. Please drop it down there. Let me know. I'd be curious. As well as if you are all having any issues with pools dying constantly on your ASIC, let me know. I'd be kind of curious to learn a little bit more about that. But guys, until next time, I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. Make sure you stay savage and keep your hash rates up, then watts down low, and we will see y'all next time.